The metal part of your brush is called a ferrule. If your ferrule does not have a crimp right here, which this one does not because it's round, you always want to move it in a circle to clean it or to wipe off any product. So circle, circle. If your brush and the ferrule has a crimp here, which is a line, you can feel it if you move your thumb across it, you always want to move it back and forth in a line. So line, line, circle, circle. If you remember that, the bristles will always keep their shape.